Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get Morning Star Ds2 updated. Start by ensuring your character meets progression requirements and has enough healing items. Focus on obtaining the quest that unlocks the weapon drop and complete prerequisite NPC interactions. Use a balanced build that favors poise and stagger to open windows for heavy attacks. Stay patient, learn enemy patterns, and track drop rates to avoid wasted runs. Gather essentials before you hunt Morning Star. Level your gear, stock up on consumables, and set a clear route through the area. Equip armor that trades mobility for poise so you can land heavy strikes without staggering. Bring a backup ranged option to thin groups from afar and a blocking tool for tight corridors. Mark checkpoints and learn enemy timings to refine each run and improve drop chances efficiently. Head to the designated zone, clear mobs systematically, and focus on the named enemy that carries the Morning Star. Use crowd control to avoid being overwhelmed and open with a stagger to chain heavy hits. If the weapon does not drop, fast travel and reset the area, keeping your routine tight for consistent runs. Track attempts and adjust strategy based on how enemies respond to your approach to speed up the farm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.